Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you exactly how to make money on TRYMYUI in 2025. If you are looking for a simple side hustle, this platform pays you to test website and apps. So without any further ado, let's dive in and I will walk you through everything step by step. So what actually is TRYMYUI? So TryMyUI is a super user testing platform. Let's say I'm going to search it, TryMyUI, and you will get this website in here. So new website name is TryMata and formerly TryMyUI actually. So here you can see we are already landed in here. So the confusion I already overcome. So companies that pay TryMyUI to get real feedback on their website or apps. Testers like you get paid to use and review website. You will complete your task and speak your thoughts out loud while recording your screen. It is great for beginners. No tech skills actually needed in here. So how much you can earn through this platform? So you can earn $10 per test. Like you can see there, get paid to test. You just need to click over here. Once you did, then you will get to see these options where you just need to create an account. So you can earn each takes $10. Each test takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Payments are made by PayPal every Friday. The more tests you qualify for, the more you can earn. Some active users make $15 to $100 per day if tests are available. Then how you can start? First step, you just need to sign up on TryMyUI. You just need to visit trymata.com and then just click get paid to test options and fill in your name, email, and PayPal address and demographics. So here you can see this is the thing, payment are made by PayPal to this email address. Please be sure it's tied to PayPal account and it enter correctly. Let's say I will copy my email address and then I will paste it in here. Name, this is the name. Then you can provide, please enter full valid name. Then you just need to provide your password. You can use a strong password in here and then click remember me. I agree the terms and service. You can read the terms and service. If you want to read it, it is available in here. This is the motorcycle. You just need to pass this test and you just need to choose bicycle. So you just need to properly do the thing, and once you did, like here I am getting a couple of errors, so that's why it will take a couple of minutes. Motorcycle, let's click next, and then the motorcycle. This is the motorcycle again. Next, crosswalk. This is the crosswalk and verified. Again I am getting issue with that. Here you can actually see it, and just click verify and it already been done. Just click and now create account. Once you did, then it will be done. So now you will need to complete a simple test to qualify. Make sure to speak clearly and follow the instruction during the sample test. So here you can see demographic information they are asking. So the gender, I'm a male, then birth year is 2003, and then the country is Bangladesh. Income level is this one, educations, graduate. Then the employment status is in a school, or I can say unemployed. Then family status single, children's status without children, community type is urban, and social network uses at least daily several times a day. And you can provide your chip in here, and then you can choose the device. I have to check all your devices available for testing: computer, Android, I can say Android phone, and that's it. Just click continue. Once it did, then you just need to be provide your password. You can give password or you can go further. Like here your account creation is now done actually. So you just need to complete your sample test. The sample test helps them judge if you can follow directions, speak your thoughts, be detailed and helpful. You will record your screen and voice. If accepted, you will start receiving real test invites. So here you will get to see the my test option. You just need to click over here. Please set your time zone to see account dates and time for live test. So here you just need to select that one. So I am going to select this as my country time. So I just need to find out my city in here. Let's see, does it available? Let's search for Dhaka. Yes, it is available, and click save changes, and it is done. Now if I click on my tested, it will come over here. Thank you for your signing up with TRYMYUI. Currently we don't not have any customer with testing needs in your region. When test in your region become available, you will be the first to know. Okay, you can change your profile to make sure. Just change your country or time zone. Let's say I will change it to another country, so you just need to be edit demography. So I'm not able to edit this one actually, so you just need to be check your demography where you will get more sales. So let's talk about taking real tests. You will receive emails when a test is available, or log in and check your dashboard for available tests. Before each test, you will answer a few scanner questions. If you qualify, you will begin testing right away. You will be asked to perform tasks like find the checkout page, compare two products, give feedback on design or usability, and talk naturally and share honest thoughts. So let's give you tips to get more tests. Be detailed in your feedback, more value, more tests. Complete scanner questions truthfully and consistently. Then keep your profile up to date as device interest, and check your email regularly. Test are first come, first serve. Do test quickly when notified to beat other tests. This is the tips to get more tests. Now, what actually you need to get started? A computer or laptop. Most tests don't work on mobile. A microphone built-in or external. A quiet environment. Google Chrome browser is preferred, and a PayPal account for getting paid. Now let's talk about pros and cons of TRYMYUI. So the pros are, it is really easy to start, beginner friendly, doesn't pay for short tasks, flexible work anytime, anywhere, weekly payment. And the cons, I found out that is not consistent. Test availability varies. You must qualify for each test, and requires speaking clearly or thinking aloud. And like, let's talk about, is TRYMYUI worth it in 2025? Yes, especially for student, freelancer or stay-at-home parents. It is great side income if you are patient and responsive, and combine it with your other testing platform like user testing, useristic, and Maze. So I hope you understand how amazing that platform is to earn an passive income. That's how you can make money with TRYMYUI in 2025. Sign up, stay active, and give valuable feedback. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe for more money making tutorials. Thanks for watching.